This is Lance, and welcome back to the vlog, back to the channel. I've already done some sound deadening on my personal truck, and on that sound deadening setup, what I did was I literally, and I'm working from my home garage now, so what I'll tell you, what we did in this sound deadening, so this will be the next level. So my car has, or I should say my truck has the 1087 design blackout plates, and we've done hush mat, and we've done the door panel and hush mat as well, where it has the padding, and I've done that in another video. So now we're going to do another upgrade on this setup, and we're going to add the tiles, the BlackHole tiles. So I got to do some things. I got to take this panel off. Like I said, I've taken the door panel off. I'm also going to replace this speaker at the same time because I have a better speaker that I've been holding on to for a minute, and I've done some upgrades, but I want to put my Audison speaker in. I should say my Hertz speaker, my ML 1800s in. But I'm going to take this off, take this panel off, and we're going to do BlackHole tiles, as you can see. So the box, when you get a BlackHole box like this, it's going to have 72 in it. So what we're going to do is we're going to do 18 tiles per door. So I'm going to first do the front doors because that's what I could do now, and that's what I'm working on now. I could do the rear as well, but I'm going to do 18 or whatever fits, and then the rear is going to be whatever fits. But stay tuned, keep on watching the videos, but also I'm going to do some other stuff too in this truck. But the main goal today is to get this BlackHole tile on the door. So I'm going to have to like I said, take the panel off, clean it, clean the inside panel, and then go from there. And I've already made a couple of spacers for this, for my new driver. So watch the video, just keep watching. So as you can see, I pull all the panel off. Good thing I nut sorted everything. So I got to clean the area because it's always got dirt from just being grimy. So I'm gonna use some alcohol on it, clean it off real good, and then we'll start doing it. So we got the BlackHole tiles installed. I put 20 in this door, and like I said, I did mostly of them behind here, and then I staggered them as we got along up on the top and the bottom. We put back in the 1087 design blackout plate, and I upgraded my speaker from the Audison 6x9, the Prima, to the Hertz ML 1800, and I also put the Morel rings on there. So the reason why I did all that is because my ultimate goal would be to have the 1800s do my mid bass, and then I got a 3-way for the dash and all that stuff. So there is some differences in what the performance is. So if you go here, that door is solid. Then when you go to here, which I got my hood up, I don't know why. Then when you go to this door, it's different. It's solid, but it's definitely performs differently. So we'll put the door panel on and see what the difference sounds like, because I'm not going to change the EQ or crossover. So they should be fine because it's going from a 6x9 to a 7-inch driver, and it's actually handles more power with the Hertz 1800. And I'll show you that speaker. Matter of fact, let's do it now. So here's the Audison Prima 6x9 that came out. The AP69, which is current. Great speaker, conventional magnet, pretty nice speaker, nothing complicated. And this is the ML 1800.3. It has a neodymium magnet for extra power. It's an 7-inch driver, really long driver. Custom-made plates for it, so I made all my own plates for it. And like I said, we gotta do the Morel on the other side. So I'll put up all the specs on this speaker versus this speaker. This is a great speaker for what it was, but I was having some issues with it because I had it in there for a long time on the passenger side, so it was time to upgrade. So we're gonna get the other side done and get that going, and then we can see if the sound is any difference or anything like that. So stay tuned. I'll tell you if it sounds any better or worse. Probably it's gonna sound better, but I'm not gonna EQ it. I'm not gonna do anything until, because I'm gonna do a really big upgrade in the system. So stay tuned. So now that I got the speaker BlackHole tiles put in, and I upgraded the speakers, which I probably should have did a test with one way or the other, but since I was in there, I might as well replace the speakers because I had to do that. And I put the Hertz ML 1800s, which is a 7-inch mid-bass driver. The system is totally different. So now I got to retune the entire car. I mean, I got a bunch of stuff I got to do anyway, but I got to retune the car to make it perform probably more or less down the roads of where I really want to do. So if you were to ask me, is there going to be an improvement? I honestly would say yes, not because I changed the speaker, because it reduces the sound waves from the back and it changes the way everything sounds performance-wise. So there's going to be a lot of equalization as we redone. So I got to get back in it, tune it, redo it, and once I get more details on how I feel about the BlackHole tones, which I've done them before, but I wanted to see what it was like when I have it in my truck to see if it reduced any road noise. I still want to do the rear doors too, because I got plenty of tiles to work with, and we'll see what other kind of road noise. And I'll let you know also driving the car if it reduces any kind of energy from the outside the car. I mean, it's actually designed to reduce sound waves in the doors so it performs better. So I'll let you know. All right, stay tuned.